GrooveCM apps review, all groove.cm apps plus coming soon. GrooveCM is a complete marketing and sales system with over 10 plus apps that you can use for any type of business. Next up, which is the GrooveKart. This is an all-in-one e-commerce platform to sell physical products, and it's a direct competitor of Shopify. So you can create your own store here as well and start selling physical products. And this platform will also help you with your shipping and accepting different payment gateway. They also support print on demand and drop shipping features. These are the Groove apps that are currently available now, and there are also new apps coming soon. And most of the Groove apps here are now getting better and faster compared to the previous year. So if you need a website, email marketing, membership site, e-commerce, webinars, sales management, blog website, and affiliate software, then GrooveCM is the perfect one for you. Plus, they also have the additional apps coming soon, and these apps are Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Webinars Live, Groove Proof, Groove Streaming, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, Groove Funnel Mapping, Groove Pipe CRM. So these are the new app that will coming soon inside your GrooveCM. So if you're interested to sign up or try the GrooveCM, then just click on the link in the description below to sign up for free. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for your time watching.